In this video, I'll show you how to enter recovery mode on your MacBook Air M4. This also works with the MacBook Air M2 and M3. So the first thing we need to do is to turn off your computer. So I'll go on the top left corner, click on the Apple logo and select Shut Down. Click Shut Down. Wait about 5 seconds just to make sure that the computer is completely turned off. And then all we have to do is to go over here, you see on the top right corner button, and we need to keep it pressed a few seconds. Let me demonstrate what I mean by this. So I'm keeping it pressed, I'm not releasing it, I'm waiting. It says continue holding for startup options. This is what I'm doing, I'm waiting. And usually when you see loading startup options, you can go ahead and release that finger from the button. You'll be good. And here we go, we are in recovery mode. If you want to have more options, well, obviously click on the options over here, continue. Choose your language, select your user, click next, type the password of that account. If you forgot the password, do not click on your user account. There is over here, I don't know if you see, forget all passwords, so you can click on that. And once you've done this, you're gonna have these options appearing. You can restore your Mac using a time machine backup, if you have one, obviously. Reinstall the Mac OS if you encounter some severe problems with it. You have Safari over here. I don't know if it's very useful. You can browse Apple support by clicking there. Or you have disk utility in case you're having a problem with your drive, so you can repair it or erase everything that was on that drive. So select over here, press continue, and this is about it. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.